The development of cyber response plan will ensure limited impact on the business of a major event, whether that relates to cash flow or operational problems, customer churn or negative reputational impact.
A well-rehearsed cyber response plan would include things like making sure you know how you're going to pay your people in the absence of your systems, in the absence of having your systems with their bank account details on them. It would also involve knowing how quickly your insurance policies for cyber might pay you and where you will get the cash from or what facilities you have available from your bankers to bridge any gap or unexpected shocks there.
The most effective way to mitigate the financial impact of an event on your business can be broken down in probably 3 ways. One is the involvement of leading teams to assist you during the initial event and make sure the actions you're conducting are relevant and effective. Secondly, it's to make sure you have a good position with your customers and your regulator and ensure you're keeping them updated. And then finally, as a board, is to do a reflective review after the event to ensure that you've had lessons learned.
Being able to demonstrate that you are taking a proactive approach to cyber and doing all the sensible things is likely to secure you more business, win you more customers in the long term. People who've been very open when they've suffered this with banks, insurance companies, etc., have found a huge level of support which has really helped keep costs down there. Insurance is important for businesses, and don't assume that your business continuity insurance will necessarily cover cyber. The second point I'd make is separate cyber policy is generally very useful because many of the worst cyber attacks don't involve your systems being taken out. They involve loss of your critical data or customer data, etc.
Many of the cyber insurance policies that we provide to our clients not only includes preemptive education and solutions, but also provides them with the expert breach response teams to assist them through the process. It enables a company to not only outsource and transfer the risk, but also outsource a fair amount of the heavy lifting involved in those events.
I would also recommend they have some kind of access to a breach response service. So if they do need help in a cyber event, they can press a button and they know who to call and have contracts in place very quickly. And depending on the type of business, they may also want to consider whether they want some kind of customer contact service available. So if you have a business with 10, 20, 30 million customers and you have to contact them in the event of a breach, then you probably need the facility to do that lined up for you by a third party in advance. So insurance, breach response and customer contact would be the 3 things I'd have in place before an event.